Artificial intelligence isn't coming for jobs. It's already here. It's writing emails, answering customers, designing graphics, and even helping doctors. That's why one question keeps coming up everywhere. Is AI replacing jobs, or is it changing them? In this video, we'll explain what's really happening with AI and work, without hype or fear, just the reality of how jobs are shifting right now. For years, AI worked quietly in the background, powering search engines and recommendations. What changed wasn't the technology, it was access. Suddenly, AI tools became public, easy to use, and fast. People could generate text, images, and ideas in seconds. That made AI feel like it appeared overnight, even though it had been developing for years. AI is no longer limited to tech companies. It's already being used to draft emails and reports, handle customer support chats, design marketing content, analyze data, assist doctors with records and diagnostics. In most cases, AI doesn't replace workers. It amplifies them. One person can now do more work in less time, and that's where the tension begins. The jobs most affected by AI share one thing in common: repetition. Tasks with clear rules and predictable steps are the easiest to automate. Data entry, basic customer service, scheduling, and simple content creation are already changing. This doesn't mean these jobs disappear overnight. It means fewer people may be needed to do the same work. Despite the headlines, AI still has clear limits. It struggles with deep creativity, human judgment, emotional understanding, ethical responsibility. AI can suggest and assist, but it doesn't truly understand context or consequences. That's why roles involving leadership, creativity, strategy, and human interaction remain critical. What's happening isn't mass job loss. It's a shift in how work is done. Work is moving from repetition to problem solving, manual tasks to oversight, speed to judgment. Many jobs are becoming human plus AI roles. Those who learn to work with AI gain an advantage. Those who ignore it risk falling behind. AI isn't here to suddenly replace everyone. It's here to reshape work. Some tasks will disappear. New roles will emerge. And adaptability is becoming one of the most valuable skills. The question isn't whether AI will change jobs. It already has. The real question is how people respond to that change. Don't forget to like and subscribe for clear explanations of trends shaping everyday life.